The AUTOPSTENHOJ Maestro 2.35 NxT is the perfect two-post lift developed for repair and maintenance and is also a great solution for lifting e-cars. The lift is set up asymmetrically so that vehicles can be positioned far backwards and the doors can be opened wider for easy in and out of the vehicle. The electro-mechanical two-post lift for the highest quality requests has a lifting capacity of 3.5 tons. The Maestro 2.35 NxT is based on the proven and unique welded columns with tubes of the Maestro 2. Series and the premium arm set. The lift is available with different configurations of telescopic swivel arms and a setup width of 3,250 to 3,500 millimeters. The unique column with its very slim yet strong design provides outstanding stability and thus stands out from the competition. Due to the modification of the base plate and the new arrangement of the columns, the Maestro 2.35 NxT not only gains in drive-through width, but also scores with a minimum height from 78 to 95 millimeters, depending on the lifting pad. The entire arm set is extremely slim, making it easy to pick up the vehicle with sufficient distance to the underbody. Both the maximum working height of 2 meters and the CE stop can be adjusted to any individual working height, so that not only safe but also ergonomic working underneath the vehicle is possible. The Maestro 2.35 NxT is available with different portal heights or even a recessed connection and can thus be adapted to different ceiling and vehicle heights. The internal arm locking system is a truly special feature and unique on the market. The particularly strong locking mechanism is protected against dirt and moisture, offering a high level of functional reliability with its 360 degrees locking system. The cold-rolled spindles are the strongest in the market, and the nut sets are made of a special nylon alloy to ensure maximum safety with a long working life. The carriage on roller bearings ensures extremely low friction in the columns and thus contributes to low wear and low maintenance operation. This leads to smooth operation, less stress on the motors, minimized power consumption, and lower costs. The lift is driven by powerful motors, which lift smoothly and safely to the required height. The safety system stops the lift automatically when touching down on an obstacle. Electronic synchronization is monitored and controlled by an impulse comparison of the two columns during the entire lifting process. With the universal lifting area, the workstation can be used in many ways: for normal cars and vans, for sports cars, and of course, for e-cars. In case that lifting with the F-pads is no solution, we also offer wheel support devices. The F-pads can easily be replaced by wheel support devices, allowing the vehicle to be lifted directly at the wheels, so the underbody remains freely accessible. Therefore, there is no need to invest in a standalone workplace for electric vehicles. You create a standard workplace for repair and maintenance, which can also be used for e-cars. The combination of e-adapter and multi-adapter is ideal. If lifting pads or e-adapters are not an option, you can quickly and easily switch to our wheel support devices. In the 1,000 kilogram version, the maximum liftable wheelbase is even extended by 300 millimeters due to the eccentric mounting. The wide range of accessories offers solutions for any kind of lifting situation. The unique columns of the Maestro 3.35 NxT are the most stable on the market. In combination with the carriage on roller bearings, they are a guarantee for an extremely long working life. Obviously, these lifts have received numerous product recommendations from leading vehicle manufacturers. For more information, just contact us. AUTOPSTENHOJ.com